There we go. Oh, nice. God, that looks like a steelhead. Seriously, look at the size of this fish. Oh, jeez. Boy, he just smashed it. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Fish rise right there. So I could see the bug floating down. So I'm tying on something a little bit bigger. There we go. Oh, picked the right one. It is so great when you can figure it out. There we go, fish on. Didn't disappoint. Oh, there we go, on the swing. All right, I got a hunch that you just typed into Google where to find fish in rivers. There's a lot of things to look for, right? Edges, seams, drop-offs, riffles, inside turns, outside turns, pillows, behind big rocks. There's one particular place that seemingly always holds fish. Oh, jeez, that's a big fish. There we go. Oh, picked the right one. Nice. Oh, I can see him come up and get it too. Oh, get him on the reel. Really good fish. Oh, jeez, that was a miss. Oh. Yes. Wow. Look at that fish. Wow. That's the guy that's been happy eating. Look at that beautiful fish. Wow. If you cast in the bubble line, that is basically the food conveyor belt in any type of river system. And this works in small streams, in big rivers, in small rivers, in medium-sized one like this one. Cast at the bubble line. A lot of times you'll see fish feeding right there because that is where the collection of most bugs are floating down. So cast in the bubble line and this can happen to you too. There we go, fish on. Sorry, I missed the take there, but I chucked that dry fly right where he was eating and he grabbed it. It's one of those things to where, that's a good fish. One of those things to where I thought I had the camera on, but clearly didn't. Awesome. Oh, that is a big fish. Look at him. Got the fly out. That is a sizable fish. And that was through a lot of fly changes and perseverance, and I got that fish, but he was sitting right in the bubble line munching some flies. Seriously, you need to try this casting and fishing technique. It's the upstream cast. A lot of fly fishers out there will cast it across the river and let it swing, and that can be very effective. But a lot of times I've swung a hole like this one and didn't catch anything. And then as soon as I cast the fly upstream, and it's a weighted fly, right, and then pull it back downstream, trying to keep a tight line as I'm scooching that fly, swimming downstream, that elicits an attack from the fish, and it can be so effective. It's tough to manage, right? Your line's going all over the place, you're kind of behind the fly, but it works. The fly has less water tension, so it sinks further down, gets closer to the bottom. And if you can manage your line and keep a tight line, this can happen to you as well. He's just sitting there holding in the current. I tell you, that upstream cast is so effective. Let's go get him. Ah, nice. Holy smokes. That is a big fish. So let him go. Oh. It is a beautiful spring day. I just caught one of the biggest west slope cutthroats that I've ever caught out of this system. I'm using a Sculpzilla. Oh, jeez. Boy, he just smashed it. Holy crap. I think he almost came out of the water. I was just literally letting it swing. I was not even ready for that. Pretty sizable. Yeah, he's a big fish. Yes. This is a really big cut. Like very large. Holy smokes. Oh my God. One of the largest cutthroat I've ever caught out of here. Oh my God. Look at that thing. That is a beautiful fish. Oh. Today, I have a couple of setups with me. I got my 5-weight FFD5. I've got a turd in the worm. And what that is, it's basically a big stonefly TJ hooker and a worm dropper on an indicator. So let's see if we can pull a nice fish out of this hole. All right, let's do this. Fish on. There we go. Oh, nice. Woo. Got 4X tippet on. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Holy crap. Wow. That is a really nice fish. Gonna have to fall on my face. Holy smokes, that is a big rainbow. God, that looks like a steelhead. Oh, wow. What a beautiful rainbow. Oh my God, that's huge. Seriously, look at the size of this fish. It's freaking huge. Huge. Oh yeah. Fish on. So quick tip for you when you're casting these big double nymph setups with an indicator, water load. You'll find that you'll have far less tangles if you use that casting technique, casting these multi-fly setups out there. So water load and you'll have a much better experience. I'm sure this will help you with your home stream and catching more fish the next time you're out fishing your favorite river. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.